TEM the other day, they sold on the short report and TEM fell all the way down. We've been watching it for 3 days. Today was day 3. Look at that. It's the first time it turned over Ripster 512 clouds. Not only that, TEM also turned over the 50-50 MTF clouds. And not only that, it also turned over 20-21 MTF clouds. They turned over the 20 EMA, 21 EMA on daily chart and over 50-55 EMAs and 1 hour 30-50 EMAs. So this is a golden rule. Remember, we were waiting. We tried. Did not work. We longed it other day. Sold it. Today came the breakout and we were ready. Why was that? So you saw the Ripster clouds right there on my day-to-day plan. Daily 50-55 MTF, 1 hour MTF confluence. The resistance above 55-55. It's an MTF long trade. We already know that. I had set up the alerts on TEM. The moment my alert went off, I knew it's breaking out of that MTF. It's breaking out of yesterday highs. I told the traders it's a MTF breakout long right away. I gave the target to $60. We're almost at a short over 60 target. Pulled back, held the 512 clouds, held the 20-20 MTF clouds. Then I alerted this flag breakout. Flag breakout. The target I gave was 60-80. We were still trading at $60, but I gave the 60-80 target. How did I find that target? I gave the target looking at the daily chart. RGB was on top of it because of the confluence. Our 60-80 target met. Next target I gave 65. We met our 65 by end of the day. Then we broke over 512s and then we exited. Insane move on TEM, but this only happens if you are prepared. The 63 options went from 80 cents, $1 all the way to $4. You will make 300-400% on those lot of options with TEM. Such a solid good setup in the community today. And again, to summarize that, we've been watching it since it sold off. That's why it was our day 3 play. This was the first time it was pushing our Ripster MTF cloud, signal 1, pushing our Ripster MTF daily cloud, signal 2, breaking yesterday high, signal 3, huge volume, holding 512s all day long, flag breakouts all day long, A+ long. That's how you make home run trades. Beautifully done. So Zscaler, another trade for us today. Zscaler, amazing earnings on Friday. We had a beautiful long that day too. This was a day 2 setup, stress free. Watch the day 2 webinar if you really want to learn these setups. So I gave the plan as a day 2 setup in the pre-market. As soon as I saw the strength, I gave the day 2 longs. I mean, traders were already long, and once it pulled back, the traders were getting nervous. I told them it's still holding 512, hold it. As soon as we broke out the flag, I gave the flag breakout. I gave the 290 target early, right after that flag breakout. We hit the 290. Next, I gave the stops of 288. My next target was 295. We never really hit 295. We were short of it, but if CrowdStrike comes out and gives a good earnings, I'm sure it's gonna be really nice. But you see that how my repeatable strategy that I teach every day, how to focus on a day 2, 3 setups, earnings good, breaking daily resistance over yesterday's highs, you long it. Pull back into the clouds, you long it. As soon as it pushes over yesterday highs, you long it. That's my earnings day 2 long setup. We also have earnings day 2 bearish setup. But that was a long, beautifully long for the traders all day long from 280s to 294s. Even if you trade a shares calls, doesn't really matter. This was a beautiful.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.